everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. And today I have a collab for you. It's a Galentine's Day collab. I partook in a gift exchange for Valentine's or Galentine's Day with Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture, Yoda from Yoda Style, Eva from Fuchsia Floyd, and Winnie from Winnie BLV. I believe that's everybody that was in it. I'll link all their channels down below. But yeah, we put everybody's name got put like together, and Dawn actually took care of doing all this, but we each got somebody else's name, and we didn't know. Well, we knew who we had to get gifts for, but
that's good.
We didn't know who
had you?
us.
Okay.
So I got mine.
That's cleared up.
I have only broke the seal, so to speak. That sounds terrible.
That's kind of weird.
Just so that I could open it. And I took my name off of here, but yeah. So I'm doing my unboxing of what I got for Valentine's Day.
And you don't know who it's from yet?
I have a suspicion because of the label, but
so it's from UPS.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's in a Louis Vuitton box.
Nice.
And it's got really pretty pink paper. That's me. In a pretty
we'll call it an envelope.
Yeah, envelope. Words are really hard sometimes.
That's because you broke the seal.
Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. She do this? Happy Galentine's Day. Wishing you a lifetime of happiness and love and friendship. Your Galentine Yoda. And she looks like she did the card. Oh my gosh. That is just beautiful. Okay. I'm just already flabbergasted because this is so nice. Oh, I love homemade like things. When people make things for you, I love it. All right, so I got this little notebook here. Oh, this is nice. Who can't use these? I love these books. So this is a little notebook. It's got little hearts all over it. And I can put whatever I want in here. All my little secrets or whatever else I decide to put in here. And I love it that it has a bookmark. So this is very awesome. Thank you. This is awesome. This is like Christmas. Only it's Galentine's. All right, let's see. Little black bag.
As opposed to the little black book.
Yeah, my book is blue.
Oh, okay.
With the hearts on it.
Okay.
Oh, what we got here? Estee Lauder Advanced Night Cleansing Saline with amino acids. So it looks like a Estee Lauder cleanser. What we got here? Ooh, nice lippy. I like looking at the design on it too. Look at this. You gotta see it up close. Look at it. Can you see it on the camera?
Mm-hmm.
This is awesome, gorgeous color. Oh my god!
And is that the new vernacular, lippy?
That's what I'm calling it.
Okay.
Let's see if I can see. Can I see what it says though?
Do you want to give it to the cameraman?
Yes, because you can see better than I can the color. See if it says the color or whatever, or the kind. Oh.
Saturn Rain.
Look at that and look at it. That is so pretty. Let's see, this is Estee Lauder as well. It's just awesome. Oh my gosh. This is like a clown car. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is my favorite. Louis Vuitton. I don't know how to say it. Attrape Revs. Probably best if I just show it here. I love this. This is my absolute favorite scent from there. Oh my Oh, this all matches too. It's really pretty. Like shooting stars. Beautiful magnolia. Hand cream. Nourishing hand cream. Not just a hand cream. A nourishing hand cream. Oh, it smells really good. Gosh knows I need hand cream. Oh, look at this. So pretty. Okay, there's no way on earth I'm going to be able to read what that says on the bottom right now. Oh, it smells really good, though.
What is it?
I think it's perfume. It smells fantastic. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. This is awesome. Oh, my gosh.
I think it's Christian Dior.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that would make sense. Okay. Look at that. It's so pretty. And then this is in a Chanel pouch. Like, oh my gosh. And there's more Louis Vuitton here. Louis Vuitton Stellar Times. I've never smelled this before.
Oh, we just got a text from one of your viewers. They said you should wear readers next time.
Stop. We did not. And then Le Jour C'est la Vie. Okay, I'm going to do something here. Just because. The first one I showed, I know how that smells. I absolutely love it. But I don't know how these smell yet. So I want to smell them. The Attrape Revs, whatever, that's kind of got like a cocoa and a powdery. It's pure goodness. Okay, so this is Le Jour C'est la Vie. Spray it on maybe in here. I actually have Louis Vuitton on today, but it's Couture something else. Oh, that's really good. It's like really fresh, kind of citrusy. Oh, that smells really good. Isn't this fun, watching me spray perfume and smell it? Just imagine you're in a field of flowers right now, or maybe an orange grove. Let's see. Okay, so this one is the Stellar Times. Ooh. Oh, I like it. It's so soft. I could not tell you what scents those are, but it's so good. It's almost like I'm not even going to guess. I think I'll put the notes below, though, in my description box, because out of the two, I think I probably like this one better, but that's because I like those kind of smoky, soft scents. But I always like stuff clean and fresh, too. So this is awesome. And the Dior smells fantastic. I'm going to smell really good one. I was going to say for once. Shut up. Hush.
Wait, what?
Oh, cameraman doesn't get to talk anymore. This is not nice. Look at this. There's more in here. This is crazy. Okay, I can see this, so I'm going to pull this out. Ooh, milk chocolate almonds. Yep, and this is all
Does
mine.
that say for cameraman?
No, it doesn't.
I think it might.
No, it doesn't. Those are mine. Oh, I love it. I love it.
You shouldn't have nuts.
Oh. Who doesn't love these? Reese's Miniatures. Still my little heart. There is even more in here. This is crazy. Hey, I don't want to cry. I'm going to try very hard not to cry.
It's my weepy wife.
Look at this. She did this.
Well, that's cool.
Oh my gosh. oh my gosh, I love watercolors. This is just beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yoda, oh my gosh.
I think she hit it out of the park, hon.
This is just incredible. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. I love when people are so artistic and share it with me. Oh, this is beautiful. This is phenomenal. I absolutely love this. I can't even believe it. I was just blown away when I got the card, and this is going to go up in my room here for sure. This will be put up and framed. I mean, I was like so excited. I'm like, I'm going to be able to put this up, and no, I even have a picture already. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I'm just, oh my gosh. And there's something else.
And there's more. Is that Hermione's bag?
Yeah, that keep pulling stuff out of.
Right?
I'm not good at unwrapping things. I'm about as good at unwrapping as I am of unboxings. No. No. Oh my god. Okay. I'm going to have to probably have you turn the camera off in a second. Oh my gosh.
Portland leather goods?
Besides that, Yoda, oh my gosh. What the? You're grinning because you know I'm trying so hard not to start bawling. And, I mean, this was really special. I say it probably ad nauseum on here, how special it makes me feel to have met this group of women, and so many of you, and not just, I mean, this group is wonderful, and just all of you, like people who get me, who get my liking these bags and these things, but even more so than that, the friendships that this has brought my way have just been just incredible. I mean, I feel so blessed. It might just be my small little YouTube channel just in my little corner, but oh my gosh, it's just been unbelievable. I will just treasure this so much, and cameraman's smiling because he knows I'm so excited, and he's not always a smart ass. Behind the
Just the days that end with Y.
Sorry. This is just unbelievable. Got this little zip-up wallet in the sunflower color from Portland Leather Goods, but look at that painting.
Very nice.
Oh my gosh. Yoda, to say you knocked it out of the park is just an understatement. I can't even believe this. Between Christmas and this Valentine's Day, and me and my husband don't do a lot with Valentine's Day or anything, so I was so excited when Dawn had this idea and said, let's exchange gifts, and it's just such a nice thing. It's so nice to, because if you talk to your everyday friends, at least in my case, they think I'm crazy for spending money on these things and purchasing like I do and liking to collect and whatever. But you guys all get me. I mean, like you understand, and just such beautiful people. Wow. I am kind of blown away. I don't even know what to say. Just thank you so much, Yoda. You made this so incredibly special. Just to have your artwork, I'm just blown away. This is just going to be, I am just going to treasure all of this. I can't wait to put up the picture and put up the heart picture, and yeah, I'm gonna feel like I have my own little Yoda gallery here. So this is just beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody who's watching this and followed along with this. Just a great group of women. Make sure you watch everybody's videos. I'll have them linked down below. Sorry. And if you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Like I said, it's just my own little corner of the world here, but it's really special to me. We have a phenomenal community, and I am so blessed to be a part of this. If you haven't found me on Instagram, I'm over there at James Jam as well. It's JAME_us_jam. And please do leave comments. I absolutely love interacting with all of you in the comments, getting to know everybody a little bit. It just means so much to me. It really does. And thank you, Yoda. Thank you, Dawn, for doing this, and Yoda for the phenomenal gifts, and everybody for watching. I'm kind of a sappy, weepy mess right now, so I don't even know what to say. So I'm just gonna say my usual spiel. Please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.